Welcome to my channel Luxury Cars, where innovation meets adventure. If you're passionate about unique campers, futuristic travel, and tiny living with big dreams, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and let's dive into today's amazing micro camper discovery. Today, we're talking about a game changer in the world of mobile living, the 2026 MicroNest Camper van. If you thought compact meant compromise, think again. The MicroNest is here to prove that small can be smart, stylish, and seriously functional. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time nomad looking for a minimalist lifestyle, this camper might just be your perfect match. Let's explore everything: the design, interior, specs, features, and what makes it stand out in the increasingly crowded micro camper market. Let's start with the exterior design. The MicroNest immediately catches your eye with its ultra-modern, aerodynamic body. Crafted with lightweight composite panels and a reinforced aluminum shell, it's built for efficiency without sacrificing durability. The matte finish paint gives it a stealthy, minimalist look, while LED light bars integrated into the body lines provide futuristic aesthetics and high visibility. Despite being compact, the MicroNest doesn't look like a toy. It looks like a purpose-built vehicle ready to explore cities, countryside, and off-grid terrains alike. It sits on a custom electric chassis with adaptive suspension, giving you a smooth ride whether you're navigating tight urban streets or venturing down rocky backroads. Its size is one of its biggest advantages. At just under 5 meters in length, it fits easily in standard parking spots and even small garages. This is the ideal van for stealth camping or city dwellers looking for weekend escapes. Now let's open the doors and step into the interior. You'll be amazed at how much this tiny van packs inside. The design is clean, minimal, and highly modular. Everything inside serves more than one purpose. The walls are finished with bamboo composite, adding warmth and eco-friendly vibes, and the lighting is fully adjustable with LED strips that you can control via a mobile app. A highlight of the living space is the transforming lounge bed system. By day, you have a comfortable two-seater sofa with a small coffee table. At night, it converts into a full-size memory foam bed that easily sleeps 2 adults. The transition takes under 30 seconds and doesn't require removing any cushions. The ceiling includes a panoramic skylight with built-in smart shading. You can enjoy natural light during the day and stargaze at night with just a swipe on your phone. There are also 2 opening side windows with built-in bug screens and blackout blinds for privacy. Next, let's talk about the kitchen setup. For a micro camper, the MicroNest's kitchen is shockingly complete. It features a dual induction cooktop, a 50-liter smart fridge with a freezer compartment, and a collapsible sink with a filtered water tap. There's also an overhead cabinet with a microwave and enough space to store dry goods and cookware. A clever touch is the pull-out prep counter that extends from underneath the bed frame. You get more surface area when you need it and can tuck it away instantly when you don't. All surfaces are antimicrobial and easy to clean. There's even a slide-out dining table and 2 stowaway stools that tuck neatly under the bed. Want to eat outside? The kitchen unit includes a side-mounted fold-out shelf for outdoor cooking. Now let's move on to the bathroom facilities. Yes, even in this tiny footprint, the MicroNest comes with a compact but very usable wet bath. It's tucked behind a sliding wall panel and features a cassette toilet, a fold-out sink, and a pressurized shower with hot water. The entire space is waterproof, ventilated, and self-cleaning with a UV sanitization cycle after every use. There's also an exterior shower attachment with both hot and cold water, perfect for rinsing off bikes, dogs, or muddy boots. Now, the technology and connectivity. This camper van isn't just small, it's smart. The MicroNest comes equipped with a central digital hub called Nest Link, which connects to your phone or tablet. Through the app, you can monitor and control everything: battery levels, solar input, water tanks, climate control, lighting, security, and even schedule remote maintenance updates. On the roof, you'll find 600 watts of solar panels powering a 10 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system. Combined with regenerative braking on the electric chassis, you can be off-grid for several days without worrying about running out of power. The camper also includes StarConnect satellite internet for global connectivity, plus 5G capability and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. And let's not forget the entertainment. A hidden projector system pulls down from the ceiling, giving you a 60-inch screen experience right in your van. It's paired with a premium surround sound system embedded in the walls. Next up, climate control and insulation. The MicroNest is built for year-round travel. The walls are insulated with closed-cell foam and include radiant barrier layers to manage both heat and cold. It's equipped with a highly efficient electric HVAC system that provides both heating and cooling, with customizable climate zones. The air quality inside is maintained by a HEPA filtration and air exchange system, a must for anyone with allergies or sensitivities. Let's get into storage capacity. Even with its compact size, the MicroNest offers impressive storage options. There are underbed compartments, ceiling-mounted cabinets, and 2 hidden floor lockers. The rear trunk area can carry larger gear like folding bikes, camping chairs, or even a compact inflatable kayak. There's also a modular rooftop cargo rack that can carry solar add-ons, extra water tanks, or adventure gear like snowboards or surfboards. What about drivability and performance? The 2026 MicroNest is built on an all-electric platform with a 200 horsepower motor and a range of up to 320 kilometers on a full charge. It supports ultra-fast charging, giving you 80% battery in just 25 minutes. The regenerative braking system recovers energy every time you slow down. It also includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering and parking incredibly easy. Whether you're driving through narrow alpine roads or urban alleyways, this van is incredibly agile. Now let's talk price and availability. The MicroNest starts at around $59,000 for the base model and goes up to $72,000 fully loaded. While that might sound steep for a small camper, when you consider the technology, all-electric powertrain, and features packed into it, it's actually a solid value. Currently, it's available for pre-order in Europe and North America, with first deliveries expected in early 2026. You can configure your own model online and choose from various exterior colors, interior finishes, and add-on packages. Let's wrap it up with some final thoughts. The 2026 MicroNest Camper van proves that you don't need a giant RV to enjoy big adventures. It's compact, smart, and stylish, perfect for modern travelers, digital nomads, solo explorers, or minimalist couples. From weekend getaways to full-time van life, this is a vehicle that doesn't just follow trends, it sets new ones. If you're dreaming of a future on the road without sacrificing comfort, technology, or mobility, the MicroNest might just be your next tiny home on wheels. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the 2026 MicroNest Camper van. What do you think about this futuristic little powerhouse? Would you live or travel in one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, Luxury Cars, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the coolest campers and vans on the planet. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and happy travels.